Powder Express powder bowl on the California side. I've put my stance back. My front is as far back as it goes, so I have a bit of a wider stance than I'm used to, so we'll see how that fares. Woo! Get some! This is awesome! Whew. 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 Okay, that was a little bit of Jeff filming. He's taking a break. It's been tough on our legs. My leg, he hasn't really snowboarded very much. I've done a little bit more, but whew. Especially the back leg just gets annihilated. So let's go find the most epic run around without him. there's Jeff in the lift line. I did a couple runs while he was waiting in the lodge, and then I came back in and I was done, exhausted. But he wants to go up and try another run or two. So it's pretty choppy out there, and we're both pretty tired. So hopefully he makes it back alive. But if he's not back by 5, I'll know. I get his brand new snowboard. Oh no, he's got his snowboard. But I'll get his computer. I'm just gonna head back to the hotel and change up and relax and wait. Okay, back in the room. It's kind of snowy, rainy, not really sure what it's doing. But what I forgot to mention earlier is I was gonna do some 360 cam footage. And I normally keep the stick in my inside, the pocket that's on the inside. It doesn't fit into any zip pocket, so it's just hanging in there. But I've always had it in there. Somehow it disappeared, and I didn't even fall. So it fell out somewhere, unfortunately. But I've got the one that came with this DJI, but it doesn't fit on the 360. So I'm going to have to figure out how to jury rig something onto the 360 cam for that stick. And maybe this afternoon I'll find a hardware store.